Hello, everyone. Welcome back to episode 3 of Glow's Guide. Today's episode is going to be covering events, but before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's one simple click below, and subscribing can benefit me and you by not letting you miss out on my videos. Also, there's a Discord link in the description below. If you want help on any scripts or just want to talk with me and my viewers, be sure to join it. Now let's get into it. So, to start with events, we're going to cover the different types. Let's start with a remote event. Remote events are a type of event that you can fire from a player or from the server. You can fire it from the player by using the remote event's name, then fire server, and then within the parentheses you put any information you want to send with it. You can also fire it to the client the same way, but instead of using fire server, you can either say fire client or fire all clients. Next is the remote function. The remote function works the same way as the remote event, except you get a return value from it when you use it. The remote function is usually used if you want to make sure that hackers cannot use local scripts to benefit themselves in your game, so you can usually run little checks to make sure that before you process, say, a gain in value or coins being added to their account, you check it with the server to make sure it's accurate. Cool. Now that we understand basic events, let's try them out in game. So here I am in Roblox Studio, and the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Server Script Service, and I'm going to make a script called Remotes. Now before even doing anything, I'm going to go into Replicated Storage, make a folder which I'll call Remotes, which is how I'm going to organize mine. And then in here, I'm going to put a remote event. And I would just name this Test. Now, let's say we want the player's speed to be increased on the server. So what we can do is we can create a local script where we're going to send it from. So starter player and starter player scripts. Let's create a local script. And we'll just say, we'll define the player first. Local player is equal to game.players dot local player. And then let's define the function. So local test is equal to game.replicated storage dot remotes wait for child test. And then let's wait 5. And then after we wait 5, let's say test fire server. And then after we do that, let's just copy our test definition so we can use it in our remote script. And then we'll put below to receive it test.onServer event connect function, and then we'll put player so we know who sent it. And then simply let's just get the player's character. Local car equals game dot workspace wait for child player dot name. And then once we've done that, let's say car dot humanoid dot walk speed is equal to 30. And then we will print success. Cool. Now that we've set that up, let's try it out in game. When we load in, we can see that for the first bit of time, we will be walking at normal speed. But after the event gets received by the server, we start walking faster. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. As I said, it's one simple click, and it really benefits me as it lets my channel grow and get seen by more people. See you next time.